this part of South Africa are remarkably uncrowded, and unlike European similar resorts, is in fact totally uncluttered. There are very few houses. The roads are quite safe. The weather is very variable in this part of the Cape, of course. We're stuck out in the middle of the ocean, and the wind comes on this day was coming from the southwest. "600 meters from the paved road to the Moss Bay slipway, we'll find a good condition dirt track, and a short walk from that parkway to the lighthouse here at Hangklip shows a 22-meter concrete cylindrical white tower, which has been there since the 25th of November 1960. It is visible for 25 nautical miles. It is currently unmanned and not open to the public. Fishing and diving is allowed in this area within legal limits, and these are monitored, so at the right time of year feel free to take a look around, but never exceed what is allowed because, well, there are people watching. Thank you for joining me. If you liked the content and enjoyed the show, please like and subscribe. Cheers for now.